Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell tickets on Viagogo for beginners, right? So first of all, we have to go to this Google, search for Viagogo, click on this website here. Now once you click on this website, right, so here I will just go and click on allow all. Now here we have to create an account. So on the top right, we'll just go to the sign in option, right? And once you go to the sign in here, you have to create an account, but just for fast process I will just go and click on login with my Facebook account. But if you have created your account with Google account or just a normal email address, then you have to verify your account by entering a code sent to your inbox. Now we have to go to select sell tickets, right? So here you can see there's option of sell. Go to the sell tickets here. Now once you go to this sell tickets, right, enter details about the event for which you have the tickets. So here we can look for example, I have for the Coldplay, right? So I will just go and click on Coldplay here. Now I have the tickets for the, let's say 6th November. I will just go and click on sell ticket, right? Now here it will give me the option what kind of ticket I have, whether I have a paper ticket, e-ticket, mobile ticket transfer. So let's see here. And here they have also given, for example, it is a printed tickets, not in an electronic format. So there's a different format to submit your ticket here. So let's say I have one ticket here. I will select here, right? And this is, let's say 1042, right? Section here, then rows. I will just row here 9, and then we have to enter the ticket seat number, right? And here I will just write here 44, right? And because I only one ticket, right? Now here original supply cost, so it was in, let's say I will go and select here USD, right? And it was around $300, let's say 3000, right? I can just enter it. Okay, 3000 is too much, I guess 300 it's enough. Now you have to fill up all this information. If you work for Viagogo or the organizer of the event, you can request by section 90 of the Consumer Right Act to select it. So I am not none of them and not restricted, right? So you have to select here now under 21 ticket, right? Unlimited or restricted view, right? And you can select all this and make sure you put everything authentic here. Now once you have filled up all this information, go and click on continue. Now choose the currency in which you like to be paid, right? It means that in what currency you will like to pay. So I will just go and click here 300. Now as you can see here, I will receive 267, not 300, because there are some kind of charges which Viagogo is going to charge from me. That is around $30, right? Then is a VAT and everything. And once I go and click on just continue, right, then I have to fill up all this information, address and everything, mobile number, and just go and click on continue, right? So in this way we can just sell our tickets on Viagogo. It's really easy. Thanks for watching this video, and if you sold any tickets, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe.